Welcome everyone, Savannah here with Bogert Aviation. Bogert Aviation has been a trusted brand in aircraft maintenance products for over 35 years. And today we're talking about our replacement battery boxes for Piper and Cessna aircraft. Many original battery boxes in Piper and Cessna aircraft can be 30, 40, or 50 years old, and battery acid, vibration, and the passage of time has no doubt taken its toll. Acid leaking into the belly of your airplane can severely damage the structure where you can't even see it, between the laps of aluminum and the rivets. Our stainless steel replacement battery boxes are corrosion resistant and involve many thoughtfully designed upgrades from the original battery box design. These upgrades include stainless steel drain fittings and vent tubes that have been TIG welded onto the box so that they're cleanable, replaceable, and they won't corrode. The angled brass vent tube fittings can also be adjusted to fit the configuration on your specific aircraft. The insulating flanges that protect against shortages are removable, replaceable, and much sturdier than the historically used paper. Our copper cables that run through the flanges and connect to the battery are also an upgrade from your standard battery cables, but we'll save this great product for another video. For more information on Bogert Aviation replacement battery boxes and cable kits, please visit our website, www.bogertaviation.com, or call us at 509-736-1513.